71. Let's read it. Hyperconjugation is possible in. Student, here we can clearly see, in this case, the hydrogen attached to bridgehead carbon will not participate in hyperconjugation, so this compound will not show hyperconjugation. This compound will not show hyperconjugation because here there is no alpha hydrogen. So this compound will also not show hyperconjugation since there is no alpha carbon. Only this compound, that is option number 3, will show hyperconjugation. That means the correct answer is option number 3. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Only in case of the third compound hyperconjugation is possible. Moving to the next question, which is question number 72. Let's read it. Which of the following is the correct order of stability of free radical? Student, I'm writing the order of stability of free radical. Most stable free radical is allylic among the given options, followed by benzylic, further followed by 3-degree alkyl, then we have 2-degree alkyl. That means the correct order is represented in option number 1. Also, we need to keep in mind that lesser is the bond energy of CH bond, the hydrogen which is attached here. So lesser is the bond energy of CH bond, more will be the stability of the free radical so formed. That means the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to the next question, which is 73. Let's read it. The reagent required for the following conversion is, student, here we are given with an alkyne CH3, C triple bond CH3. When Na in liquid ammonia is added to this alkyne, trans-butene is formed. HCH3. This is trans-butene. That means the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to next question, which is 74. Let's read it. When methane is heated at 1273 Kelvin with H2O in the presence of nickel catalyst, it gives. So student, I'm writing the reaction CH4, that is methane, when heated with nickel and H2O at temperature 1273 Kelvin, CO and H2, that is water gas, is formed. CO and H2, that means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question, which is question number 75. Let's read it. Match the following. Student, in this question we are given with certain reactions on the left hand side and certain products on the right hand side. We have to identify the correct option. So student, first of all, I'm completing the reaction. We are given with CH4 O2 in copper tube, 523 Kelvin and 100 atm pressure. Here the products obtained are CH3OH, that is methanol. That means for A, the correct product is 2. Then we have the second reaction, CH4 plus O2 in the presence of MO2O3 and heat. Here methanol is formed along with H2O. That means for B, the correct product is 1. Then for the third reaction we are given with CH3 reacts with O2. Here the reagents are CH3CO whole twice Mn, heat. Here the products obtained are ethanoic acid along with water molecule. That means for C, the correct product is represented in the 4. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Here I am writing correct answer is option number 3. Moving to the next question.